Today I am reviewing and installing these step emergency strobe lights. Let's check it out. So these are designed to go on your running board. I have my 2002 GMC Sierra Denali with quadra steer here. It has all kinds of cool lights on it, like cab lights and everything else that comes with the quadra steer. Adding some more lights is fun. So they come in these strips, comes with normal 12-volt cigarette lighter port. I believe there's 70 inches of total strips. You see the installation instructions. Comes with 2 strip lights, 10 zip ties, 10 clear wiring snap locks, and 24 screws. So these are adhesive backed, or you can use the screw installation. You see they have adhesive here and they have screws depending on how you want to put them. You can see the LEDs right here, and this is the length of them. So plenty of room to install along your whole truck. You can see it has this waterproof connector right here, tons of wire to route it however you want. And then you get the other one. Here is a dual connector for the port. And you have your on off and then different modes over here, which we'll go over. And then we have the other light strip right here, and here is the install bits. We have the connectors, some zip ties, so let's go ahead and get them installed. So here's a quick look at the LED lights. You can see them all there. They're white and amber in little sections. And then you have a controller right here. As you can see here, nice and sticky double-sided tape. You can route the wire in through the fender. Just find a nice spot you want to lay this on. Probably want to lay some tape. You can also, of course, screw it in for a real secure fit. Just work it down slowly as you install the lights. Alright, going to switch these on. You can see here how it's all lit up. Pretty cool. Look at the light it casts from there. Look nice and close at it. Just a bunch of light, especially if you have running boards, which I don't. I'm going to add a cool effect. So now I'm going to go in the cab and go over some of the different modes it has, which are very easy to switch. There's just a little toggle switch on the controller. So this is just standard, and you hit this, and it's going to do a strobe. Strobing the other way, a flash, another flash, different type of flash, fast flashing, another one, quick flashes, really quick flashes. That one's kind of neat. And back. So like 20 different modes. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.